It is so hot out today. My nails have never naturally been this long.
No, Matthew can carry stuff.
Let the guys do the work for this. What's up, guys? It is so hot out today. I just got done with driving school in car session, not the class part. And I'm home and I want to make cookies, but it is, wow, this lighting. I don't know what this red mark is. It's a pimple, but I need it to go away. It's Shaylene's birthday, so I'm gonna take her out for breakfast on Monday because we're too busy this weekend. And everyone's doing their own thing right now. My mom's cooking supper and on the phone, and my dad's on the phone. Oh, baby, go. My nails have never naturally been this long. So pretty. We just got done eating dinner. My parents went on a walk. I am not sure what I'm doing. It's too hot. He doesn't know what to do with himself. He's too warm. The fan is not working right now because it comes with like a remote, but we don't have the little battery that goes in it. So I think we bought one or we ordered one. So it'll be working soon, but poor little guy. Poor little man. Poor you. That's what's going on. And tomorrow we might go to Ikea because I do have to go to Ikea. I'm driving today and they said that, I don't know if I told you this already, I might have told you, but he said I'm a good driver. I just have to practice changing lanes and the highway, which I don't want to do. Hi guys, what's up? We're getting ready to go to Ikea. I have on lip sense today. It's Sassy Z, Bella Sassy Z. You drink it? Oh boy. Not all of it though. No, just a little bit in there.
You can't leave food behind.
You're not gonna drink the ginger?
Why am I so ugly? Oh my god, why am I so red?
We're on our way to Ikea.
You can't put that anywhere. Look at my face.
Who cares?
Why am I so red?
Yeah,
Well,
because look, even this, on me, it's not like that in real life.
Where's my face?
Look at the little family. I want to get her outfits on tape. Look at the way she's dressed. And the way I'm dressed. Look at this cute one. It's all wood. I like coming here, it's fun. You can pretend you have a new kitchen. I really like it.
Can I scare him?
Go on it. Go on it.
It looks hard. Let me know.
Do it. That's not that bad.
Why don't you guys go to like gourmet food?
Guys, I think I got a knife stand.
We went already. We were gonna get one.
You can't put any clips with me because
I
it's so
got
green.
it.
No, it's so red.
Oh, look at this.
You pay bi-weekly. Whatever. This is way too soft. I could not sleep on this shit. I would kill myself.
We're debating over mattresses.
I broke my spine up.
It's $5.49 for
Trying to decide what they want.
I take the blanket. How is it?
Not bad.
I like this one.
What's that? Get away from the bed.
I'm letting you decide.
We both like sauce, so I don't see the big issue here. Better one soft. This one's soft.
Yeah.
We got our hands full.
Okay, why don't you just hold that so Okay, actually, you know what? We're gonna lift it.
What am I
We're gonna
doing?
scoop it underneath it.
Okay, let me
Well,
put.
you have to go that way.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
Okay. It looks like you're going widely. You're in
Watch your foot,
There you go.
I was having fun with it. No, I can't.
Okay, Krista.
Yep.
Enough of the camera because you gotta carry stuff.
I'm going to.
No, Matthew can carry stuff.
This is why I have it out.
I didn't know you were going that way. A little twisted hands for the boys.
Saw that.
Oh, man.
Oh, that's really far over on our side.
No, it's way over.
Way over.
I'm like, what? No way.
I think this is good.
Let the guys do the work for this. Good job, Matthew. How about we put this thing together, shall we? Let's do it. Perfect. It's so cute. My batteries will go in here. And any other little things. So cute. I like it. Alrighty guys, time to say good night. I just went for a walk. Shailene came and rang my doorbell and said, let's go for a walk. So I just came back and it's 9:30. I have to import all of today's footage to the computer so that I can edit it tomorrow. So thanks for watching. If you follow me on Instagram or Twitter, I was saying what kind of video should I do? Should I do cooking recipes or should I do longer videos or should I keep doing just vlogs or like mix it up with challenges and stuff? So let me know in the comments. We'll go from there. So thanks for watching. Don't forget you're amazing and always spread kindness. Bye guys.